All right, so I wanted to take a quick second to go over Centroid because it's the center of gravity and I think it's totally cool. I don't know if you guys will geek out as much as me about this, but it's really, really interesting to me that you can hold up a figure with just your pencil if you actually find the centroid. So I'm going to do that. I just picked 3 random points. I haven't even drawn the triangle yet, but I'm going to go ahead and draw the triangle and then I'm going to find the midpoint of each side. Okay, so I drew my triangle and now I'm going to start off by finding the midpoint of this side so that I can draw the median. So again, our midpoint formula is just x plus x divided by 2 and y plus y divided by 2. So I'm going to go ahead and do that with these 2 endpoints. My x would be negative 12 plus 6 divided by 2. And my y's, I guess I should label them x and y. My y's would be 8 plus 8 divided by 2. So I get negative 6 divided by 2, which is negative 3, and then 16 divided by 2, which is 8. So let me plot that. Negative. Okay, y'all, I'm cracking myself up. If you're in my class, you know I'm probably going to blame this on a Monday or the baby. But look down here, this is a negative 8, and I did 8 plus 8. It should be negative 8 plus 8. When I went to plot negative 3, 8, I was like, what have I done? So anyways, this is a 0. Okay, so now let's actually plot the midpoint. Oh, man. Okay, and to draw the median, remember the medians create the centroid? You want to connect that midpoint to the opposite vertex. Oops, didn't even use my ruler very well. Oh well. So that's the first median. Now I'm going to go ahead and find the median of this side. So I did my x plus x divided by 2 and my y plus y divided by 2, and I got 9.5, 3. So this was the midpoint of that side. And then to draw the median, I would just connect that midpoint to the opposite vertex. All right, and then I'm going to find the midpoint of this last side. All right, so I just did x plus x divided by 2 and y plus y divided by 2, and I got 1/2, negative 5. So there is the median of this line. I mean the midpoint, geez. And then to draw the median, I'm just going to connect the midpoint with the opposite vertex. Okay, so where those intersect, that is your centroid. Wherever the medians intersect is your centroid. So now I'm going to cut out this triangle and I'm going to try to prove to you that it is the center of gravity. Okay, so I have it cut out. So this is the moment of truth. I am going to attempt to take my finger, put it exactly on the centroid and balance this triangle on just the tip of my finger. Now it's going to be real funny here if this doesn't work. But y'all, show me some grace, okay? So oh, it's kind of hard to make sure I'm right on the centroid. Dun, dun, dun! Do you see me balancing? Okay, this is awesome. I wonder if I can spin it. Oh, I can even spin it! Look, I'm on the center of gravity. Okay, y'all, that was super cool. If I put my finger anywhere else on this triangle, clearly it's not going to stay. It has to be exactly on the centroid in order for it to stay. Ooh, I did it again. Okay, I hope y'all enjoyed this. Bye!